Stock Market Tools, Free MT4 Strategies. Discover the benefits of using stockradar.in, the free trading community that offers you powerful and easy-to-use tools to analyze stocks, options, and commodities. With our free tools, you can find the best time to invest in stocks, identify potential trading opportunities, and develop your own trading strategies. Join our free trading community to get real-time notifications on stock prices, news, and market trends, and stay ahead in the stock market. With our advanced tools, you can stay informed about market developments and get the insights to make the best trading decisions. So, join stockradar.in now and take advantage of the free trading tools to maximize your profits. At stockradar.in, we offer free trading tools for stocks, options, and commodities. You can join our free trading community to get access to powerful and sophisticated trading strategies, real-time market data and analysis, and more. With our free trading tools, you can make more informed decisions when trading stocks, options, and commodities. We provide a variety of resources to help traders of all skill levels to make the most of their investments. We offer trading strategies and ideas to help traders stay ahead of the game. We also have market data, analysis, and guidance to help traders understand the markets and make the best decisions. Joining our free trading community is a great way to stay up to date with the latest market news and trading strategies. Our community is full of experienced traders who are willing to share their knowledge and experience. Join us today and become part of the stockradar.in trading community. Are you looking for powerful, free trading tools for stocks, options, and commodities? StockRadar.in is the answer. Our online trading community offers traders access to a wide range of tools, from basic trading tutorials and advanced charting technology to real-time market data. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, our free trading tools can help you make smarter trades, identify profitable opportunities, and increase your trading knowledge. Join our free trading community today and start your journey to becoming a successful trader.